today's video, we're doing an entire rebuild series, all in 10 minutes of compilation video, so stay tuned. And this is my dying BMW E46 M3 competition that I repainted Laguna Seca blue. It was completely destroyed. We redid the frame on it, suspension, interior, airbags, and a full paint job on it. And I packed a video of all the things that I've done to it in 4 months so far. And before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to all the sponsors that helped me out with this build. Prime Color LLC for the paint for the M3, Dying Cars for the intake and the short shifter, and Bavinci for these quick jack blocks right here. And let's head back to whenever I picked up the car.
In the middle of the mountains, I met this guy. He just told me to follow him. Hopefully the car's over here.
Before we get too far into the video, be sure to like and subscribe and hype the video. It'll help me out a lot. Oh, we got a light. Let's see what happens. You ready? Yo! Dude, this thing started right up. Yo, that's awesome. Just from a quick glance, you can't really tell that the car's damaged very bad, but everything in the suspension was shot, airbags are shot, frame is cooked, so we're working on the airbags right now. Alright guys, so we got a new airbag right here. Let's install it. So I was taking everything off, and then I got a brand new assembly of the entire subframe and all the suspension components to replace everything with brand new good parts. I finally got the car on all 4 wheels for the very first time. The frame was low-key cooked, but I dropped it off over the weekend. We got it on the frame machine. Then I come Monday morning, the frame was already done, so I didn't really get a chance to record much, but this is all I got. Now, after the frame was already complete, it was time for a complete teardown to get it ready for paint, to sand it down and give it a first paint job. This is the step where I had to do bodywork, and this took a very long time. It takes a lot of patience. It was a really annoying process, but we finally knocked it out. It took a couple days, like probably a whole week, I'm gonna be honest with you, because there was a lot. It was the quarter panel, the roof, and then a bunch of little dings I had to take care of. So the car was ready for primer, and it was already late night on a Friday, and I was like, I want to knock this out. It's been a long week, so I ended up shooting primer at night. Came back Monday morning and the primer is already dried up, so now it's time to sand the car and prep the body for paint.
That's good.
Then I got to Prime Color LLC and he let me mix up some X Prime paint myself and check it out. Check this out. We got Laguna Seca Blue, baby. Oof, this is gonna look so tough. I was super excited to lay down that first coat of base. Laguna Seca Blue, baby. Guys, we got our car painted Laguna Seca Blue, which is insane. This thing looks freaking crazy. This is my dream color. The body was all painted, so now it's time to paint all the rest of the parts Laguna Seca Blue, so that's what I'm doing right now in this clip. These are Apex CM10s, which are temporary wheels that I got for the car, and my real ones are coming in probably at the end of this month, and I'm gonna make a compilation video of all the modifications I did, so stay tuned. Now I'm taking the BMW to my house where I'm gonna assemble the entire thing. Putting it together was very straightforward. Everything clicked together smooth as butter. I brought it outside for the first look, kind of assembled, and it looked freaking sick in the sun when it was hitting it. It almost looked like a video game. Unreal. Editing this video, I forgot to give Auxito a shout out for the bulbs, LED bulbs for the headlights. Shout out to Auxito.